This is Makayla and Maria doing Rain, Rain, Go Away from Mrs. Scott's class.
Rain, rain, go away. Cat was glad she had an umbrella. It looked like it was going to rain. Then it did. Drip, drip, drop went the rain. Pitter, patter, harder, louder. The rain was really coming down now. Bear was sad. It rained so hard so much that Rabbit got swept into a river. The rain stopped, but the wind blew Cat away. I like rain, but I like sun better. Now I can let my balloons fly. Maybe my balloons will find Cat. The end.